Today, every human experience is engineered by the technology of tomorrow. From how ideas are shared, to how businesses scale, to how experiences come alive, the future of experiences is being built at scale across Asia. Across industries and borders, professional audiovisual technology shapes how stories are told, how decisions are made, and how communities come together. At the heart of this transformation, Infocomm Asia brings together the world's most influential innovators into one powerhouse ecosystem. Experience unparalleled scale, from cutting-edge display and immersive technologies to a fully integrated AV ecosystem where innovation is not showcased in isolation, but as a complete, connected experience. Be part of an international network where global perspectives meet regional insight. Gain access to premium thought leadership, world-class education, and unmatched business diversity from across the industry. Witness the convergence of advanced technologies and rapid adoption, creating a powerful synergy that accelerates innovation, integration, and business growth. Together, these interconnected platforms form the most comprehensive gateway to Asia's high-growth professional AV market, bringing technology, talent, and opportunity together. In 2026, scale meets purpose. Don't just attend events. Be part of a community shaping the future of professional AV through Infocomm Asia. Join the definitive Pro AV platform in Asia. Connect, learn, grow,